So it's empty. But this is where you could potentially buy tickets from. Yeah,
Mum, can I sit here? On the open roof? Do I get air in my headphones?
Yep, you can open your headphones. On a bus with a very long receipt. You happy now?
That looks like Disney World at Halloween.
It does. Going around the modern Lisbon. You hear her?
Yeah. Now I understand it.
Look, Disney Dream over there. Look.
Wow.
And the trains. So keep seated. It's very low. It was low, wasn't it? That's moved down the bridge. A bit high.
There's elevators now. I hope there is.
You like that?
Yeah.
Is that pretty tall?
We're not getting off here. We're getting off where we were.
Yeah. It's got all different routes and stuff, is it?
I don't want to fly off the thing, so I'm trying to hold it really tight.
Oh, yeah. You having a good tour?
Yeah. I'm excited to go on the olden day one because I like seeing olden day stuff.
Yeah. Go find some cakes or something?
Ha! Got one. I caught a leaf.
You caught a leaf?
Should I drop it?
Yeah, just drop it. You see it? That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Put it on two, because English, and then can you hear it?
No.
You tap it.
Oh, a bit louder. Ah, yeah. Yeah, thanks. Look.
Wow.
That's a nice fountain, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a star.
Do you like it?
It's a star.
Is it a star?
That's what I want to go and see.
That's pretty cool. Do you think he'll move? Or is he getting off? Cristiano Ronaldo. Your headphone in. Let's go! Oh, that was a good little tour, wasn't it? On the yellow bus.
We're going another one now.
Yeah, so what I was going to do is
You enjoy that little tour? Yeah? You enjoy that tour, Lil?
Yeah.
Mum?
Yeah.
So we're just going to have a quick selfie with Ronaldo.
Yeah.
And then we're going to head on to the old tour bus. Maybe get a drink first.
It's not real, by the way.
Yeah, it's definitely real.
No.
But that was a real good tour. A nice, friendly driver.
He's not real.
And that was our tour bus. The yellow bus. Just jump on.
Sing.
Just jump on them, and then you can pay for your tickets there and then.
Sing. Sings, yes.
Cristiano. It looks real. Oh yeah. I want a stud like this. I get a stud like that.
Ronaldo's got his ears pierced.
Yeah, should I get an earring like him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lacey said yeah.
Well, he's got both of his ears pierced.
Put your hand up again like that.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.